Good morning, it's VJ from Canada, and it's garbage day, and I'll be taking out my garbage here. Just want to talk about the dislike button. It's not used on all sites, but it's used on a lot of sites. And I got to tell you, I don't like the dislike button. I'll tell you why. It allows faceless trolls to give you a little jab without any effort. Now, what would be fair is that whoever's giving this dislikes to get a little tongue lashing from this VJ. You know, it's not right that you can give me a jab and I can't jab back. And you know, I never understood why anybody would hit the dislike button anyways. But what I've always found that it's usually from people that are losers and you know, can't produce any of their own content, and so it's not a big deal. But I personally think that any sites that are using the dislike button should be boycotted. It's no way to spread any love in this world. So if I had to rate the dislike button, it would be thumbs down.